Have you noticed that castor oil keeps showing up all over social media? Scroll through TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, and you'll probably see someone talking about how they use castor oil in their skincare routine. Some people use it to help lock in moisture, while others say it leaves their skin looking soft, smooth, and healthy. The truth is that castor oil won't magically fix every skin problem, but the right one can become a great part of your skincare routine. If your face often feels dry or tight after cleansing, or if you simply want to add a rich moisturizing oil to your evening routine, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about 5 of the best castor oils for your face that many people across the United States love. Each one contains pure castor oil with simple ingredients, making them excellent choices for anyone who wants to keep their skincare routine easy. Let's get started. I have added all the links to these products in the description below, so you can easily check the prices and reviews. If this video helps you, ensure to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Number 5. Kate Blanc Cosmetics Organic Castor Oil. Kate Blanc Cosmetics Organic castor oil has become a favorite for many skincare lovers because it contains only one ingredient, pure USDA organic cold-pressed castor oil. The company keeps the formula simple, which makes it appealing to people who prefer natural skincare without unnecessary additives. The oil feels rich, spreads easily across the skin, and works especially well as the last step in a nighttime skincare routine. Many people like to warm just a few drops between their hands before gently pressing the oil onto slightly damp skin after applying their moisturizer. Since castor oil has a naturally thick consistency, you only need a small amount to cover your entire face. Using too much may leave your skin feeling greasy, so a little truly goes a long way. Another feature people appreciate is the dark amber bottle, which helps protect the oil from sunlight and keeps it fresher for a longer period. That makes it easier to maintain the oil's quality over time. Becca from California said she started using just 2 drops every night after applying her moisturizer. Within a few weeks, her skin felt noticeably smoother, looked healthier, and stayed comfortable even during dry weather. She also liked that she no longer felt the need to layer several different moisturizing products before bed because this oil helps seal everything in. Number 4. Handcraft Blends Organic Castor Oil. Handcraft Blends Organic Castor Oil has earned a loyal following because of its clean formula and dependable quality. This cold-pressed, hexane-free oil appeals to people who carefully read ingredient labels and want products made without unnecessary processing. The oil feels thick at first, but it spreads nicely when used in small amounts. Many users like mixing 1 drop with their favorite nighttime moisturizer before applying it to the face. That simple trick makes the oil easier to spread while still providing the rich moisture castor oil is known for. It also helps prevent the heavy feeling that some people experience when applying castor oil by itself. This product works especially well for people whose skin becomes dry after spending long hours in air-conditioned buildings or during cold winter months when indoor heating removes moisture from the air. It helps lock hydration into the skin overnight so your face feels softer the next morning. Jane from Texas shared that she struggled to keep her skin comfortable every winter. Her face often felt tight after washing, no matter which moisturizer she tried. After adding a small amount of Handcraft Blends Organic Castor Oil to her evening routine, she noticed that her skin stayed hydrated throughout the night. She woke up with skin that felt smooth instead of dry, and she loved how one simple product made such a noticeable difference. Number 3. Sky Organics Organic Castor Oil. Sky Organics focuses on organic skincare products, and its organic castor oil continues to rank among the brand's most popular products. The oil has a rich texture, yet many users appreciate how well it blends with other skincare products already in their routine. Some people apply 1 or 2 drops after using a lightweight hydrating serum, while others mix it with jojoba oil to create a lighter facial oil that feels more comfortable on the skin. Both methods allow users to enjoy the moisturizing benefits of castor oil while reducing its naturally heavy texture. Another reason many people choose this product is its fragrance-free formula. Since it contains no added perfumes, it appeals to those who prefer skincare products without strong scents or unnecessary fragrance ingredients. The bottle also lasts a surprisingly long time because each application requires only a couple of drops. Melissa from Florida said she wanted a facial oil that contained simple ingredients without added perfumes or fillers. After using Sky Organics for several weeks, she felt her skin looked healthier and noticeably softer every morning. She also appreciated how little product she needed each night, making one bottle last much longer than she originally expected. Number 2. Cliganic USDA Organic Castor Oil. Cliganic USDA Organic Castor Oil stands out because the company focuses on certified organic quality while keeping the ingredient list incredibly simple. If you have very dry skin and want an oil that provides long-lasting moisture, this product deserves serious consideration. The oil feels smooth and rich, making it an excellent finishing step after cleansing and moisturizing. Since castor oil creates a protective layer over the surface of your skin, many users apply it just before bed to help reduce moisture loss while they sleep. That extra layer helps the skin stay hydrated through the night, especially during colder seasons. People with oily skin may find this oil a little too rich for daytime use, especially under makeup. For that reason, many users reserve it for their nighttime routine, allowing the oil to work while they sleep. Sarah from Ohio said she started using only 2 drops before bedtime after finishing the rest of her skincare routine. Within a few weeks, she noticed her skin felt softer every morning and looked brighter and healthier. She especially loved waking up without that tight, dry feeling she often experienced after cleansing. Number 1. Pura Organic Castor Oil. Taking the top spot is Pura Organic Castor Oil. This brand has built a strong reputation for producing high-quality natural oils, and its castor oil continues to receive positive feedback from skincare users across the country. The oil has a smooth consistency that spreads evenly over the face without requiring much product. Many people enjoy adding it as the final step after moisturizer because it helps seal in hydration overnight. It also blends well with facial creams, making it easy to fit into almost any skincare routine. Since the formula contains no artificial fragrance, fillers, or unnecessary ingredients, it appeals to people who prefer simple skincare products. Another reason many users recommend Pura D'Or is that one bottle lasts for months when used correctly. Because the oil spreads so easily, just 1 or 2 drops usually cover the entire face. Emily from New York said she started using this oil every evening after applying her moisturizer. After several weeks, she noticed her skin felt softer, looked more refreshed, and stayed moisturized throughout the night. She also found that her makeup applied more smoothly during the day because her skin felt hydrated when she woke up each morning. Before adding any castor oil to your skincare routine, remember that everyone's skin reacts differently. Even natural ingredients can affect different skin types in different ways. Since castor oil has a rich, thick texture, it's always a good idea to perform a small patch test before using it on your entire face. Apply a tiny amount to a small area of skin and wait at least 24 hours to make sure your skin responds well. If everything feels comfortable, slowly introduce the oil into your nighttime routine. You don't need a large amount. In fact, using 1 or 2 drops is usually enough for your whole face. Applying more won't necessarily give better results and may simply leave your skin feeling greasy. If you have acne-prone, oily, or very sensitive skin, you may also want to speak with a dermatologist before using castor oil regularly. They can help you decide whether it fits your skin's specific needs. At the end of the day, the best castor oil for your face depends on your skin type, your skincare goals, and your personal routine. Kate Blanc Cosmetics, Handcraft Blends, Sky Organics, Cliganic, and Pura D'Or all offer high-quality options made with pure castor oil and simple ingredients. While castor oil won't solve every skincare concern on its own, it can become a valuable part of a balanced skincare routine by helping lock in moisture and leaving your skin feeling soft and comfortable. If you've tried any of these castor oils, let everyone know which one worked best for you and why. Your experience could help someone else find the right product for their own skincare routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next skincare review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.